Alright guys, the Volvo S90. It's the interior of the Volvo S90. It's really nice. It's a very minimalistic display from Volvo. Absolutely no buttons, just a big screen. Control everything from here. Got the park assist, got the roadside information. We've also got the start stop. Can control the temperature. Just press this. Can control the windows, the temperature. Control the volume from here.
This Saturday, exclusively in the Times. Don't miss David Attenborough's diaries. Face to face with a ferocious reptile.
Control the volume with that. It's got a gear stick over here. It's got a lovely wooden finish. Nice brown colour. Can start and stop the engine using this button. All leather, nicely stitched. Got the automatic parking brake. There's no manual parking brake in this one. It's got a lovely storage space. You can put your phone and water and other stuff as well. I think it's also got wireless charging. If you want to charge your phone or iPod or anything like that, you can charge it. It's got a 12-volt charger. You've got more storage space over here as well. So if you've got small things like spare change, you can put it in here. Just push it like this, closes. Got all electric windows. Can control the mirrors using this as well. Left and right. You can lock and unlock using this button. The seat memory functions, 1 and 2. If you push this button over here, you can unlock the boot. Also got really nice lovely air vents. Chrome finish. And you got wooden touch over here. Volvo logo. Got the steering wheel. The horn. Control the menu. You can even choose which radio you want to keep. AM, FM, DAB. Change the volume. Control the volume. Just turn it down. It's really nice actually. The touchscreen is really responsive. Let's keep Sunscard radio.
I've got grade 8 in GCSE.
You can touch this to go back to the main menu. Just control it. Really nice infotainment system. Really responsive. One of the best that I've seen in cars in recent years. Passenger seat. Got a really nice tinted window. The infotainment system. Really nice. If you can't see, you got some storage space over here. You can just put some other stuff you want to keep. There's also got a 12-volt charging over here as well. Focus. Here we go. 12-volt over here. The passenger seat, you got some storage space. You can keep some books or anything like that. The headroom's really good. If I press this, you can turn on the lights. Let's turn both them on. Got electric windows. Just open the door, lovely wooden finish. All black leather seats. Really beautiful. You pull this down. You can just put a glass of water, or you can put a bottle over here. Kind of a little storage space. You can just lean your arm on this as well. I think if you put this down, you've got like a little mini fridge. Can't really open it. But yeah, really nice interior. If you open this, you also got cup holders. So that's a really nice touch from Volvo. Good practicality. Push it back in. Put this in.
On the right hand side.
Yeah, I will do. Thank you very much.